Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Right, today we're going to be making a vegetarian pasta bolognese. So, first just going to show you the ingredients, what we're going to need. We're going to be using this. So first, we got some tomatoes, and then we got garlic, just a bit of garlic, just like this, and some tinned chopped tomatoes and a red onion, corn, green lentils, some like chili sauce, and we got pasta, and yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I think that's it. Right.
First thing to do, you're going to chop up the garlic.
So the first thing, you're just going to chop up the garlic, or if you have a garlic crusher, if you have a garlic crusher, then you can use that, and just, so basically you just want like that, and just put it in, and just wait, it will just wait for us to chop this up. It will just take a second.
You do the same thing with the onion, chop it finely.
So like into small bits.
Yeah.
See you in a second. Okay, I forgot to mention, just put a bit of olive oil in, so
A glug.
Yeah, like a glug, like that much, and the lid back on, and then carry on cutting up. So just let the oil throw around. So let an adult do the cutting for you, and make sure that if you're a kid watching this, don't do it. Don't do the cutting by yourself, because knives are sharp, and I think we all know that by now. So see you in a second again for the second time. Yeah, okay, so put it onto high heat, like 6 to 8, kind of like that temperature.
Frying the onions and the garlic.
Yeah, frying the onions and the garlic, nothing else. A bit of olive oil, just mix for a bit and I've already said, I'll repeat, 6 to 8.
Until it goes nice and golden brown.
Well, not too brown, because they don't all be.
Not burnt.
Yeah. Because if it was burnt, then it wouldn't taste nice. We don't want it burnt. Yeah. Guys, I'm personally, I'm struggling with like videos to do. So I would appreciate if you could just write in the comments suggestions that you would like to see me do. Please not another sour sweet challenge. That was horrible. And yeah, just carry on mixing until it's nice and golden brown. So yeah, just carry on mixing. Okay, so now we're gonna put the corn mince in. Mix for 2 or 3 minutes and turn the heat to like 5-ish. So put like
all of it. Don't shake it too much, just pour it. Perfect.
Like that. Yeah. And then just mix, as I said, for 2 or 3 minutes, and try to break all the big chunks down. I don't need help, thank you very much. It actually hurt a little bit. It was so heavy though.
You're a wimp.
Hey! Right, so just mix for 2 minutes, add a bit of olive oil in it. There isn't much in, and see you in a bit. Okay, so now we're going to put in the lentils, the chopped tomatoes, and these tomatoes. So you just, when you put them in, you just want to let it simmer for like 10 minutes, and so you just leave it and wait until it's been 10 minutes, and we'll be getting closer. Ooh,
Sizzle.
I'm just chucking it in. Right.
Just put a bit of this chili sauce in too.
See you in 10 minutes. Yeah, okay, so you need to remember to cook the pasta. So cook the pasta, and then we've already done that, but now we're going to serve it up, put it in, and see how it is. I'm sure it's going to be brilliant, by the way. Oh, look yeah, I've eaten it all. It was very nice. It was really nice. Okay, so the pasta was nice. Everything about it was nice. If you like, you don't have to add the chili sauce. There are some things you might not like to add, but yeah, it was really nice. I ate every single bit of it. If you like, I can show you my plate. Yeah, in fact, I will do that just now. Okay, so this is what my plate looks like. Yeah, I don't know why I have two forks. But yeah, it was very nice. I added a bit of cheese on top and some pepper. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I would love that. And please just carry on supporting me. I love to hear from you. Comment, like, subscribe, everything. Thank you.